perfect little beach getaway home, starter home, or investment property. The popular South Venice neighborhood is just a couple miles from Manasota Key. Residents also can join the voluntary neighborhood association to enjoy the beach ferry and boat ramp. The Lemon Bay Preserve is right down the street and features wonderful nature trails to explore. The layout features a dining-living room combination that overlooks the screened lanai. Bedrooms are split-plan and the kitchen is open to the living area and oversized garage. City water and sewer are already connected. Unlike many others in the South Venice area, current owners will pay off sewer lien at closing so buyers can enjoy this investment. The roof was replaced in 2012 and water heater in 2020. Centrally located between historic downtown Venice, Englewood and awesome Venice and Manasota Key beaches. Come add your decorator touches to maximize the potential of this home and enjoy the Florida Gulf Coast lifestyle.